We went to write an equation that models the variation, and this is our first problem with joint variation in it. And jointly just means that here, write it. Um, Joint variation means that z is equal to k some constant times x times y. So there are two variables here involved in the variation. So jointly means we're going to multiply together something in the numerator. So here I'm given that u varies jointly with p and d. So this is a constant times p times d and inversely with w. Okay. So in the real world, we're not usually looking at just two factors that affect each other. Famous example, that stupid train. Are we tired of trains yet? We had an example with a train using fuel per mile, but in the real world, the fuel that we use depends on whether we're going uphill or downhill and how fast we're going and blah blah blah. There are other factors to take into consideration. So variation can actually become much more complicated than just straight up direct or inverse variation. Joint variation is much more common in the real world. And here we're asked to write an equation that expresses the following relationship. We aren't given any values, and I've already done it. Right? So this is a definition question, straight up. This is the joint variation, and this is the inverse variation.